Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry you don't see my face, but that's good because my hair's a mess. But moving on, the caption says slime dinner. I know you guys are probably like really confused, like, wait, what? Slime for dinner? And yes, we are having slime for dinner. I am not lying, I'm making it right now. So here's our fish. And then over here, we have our green beans. We're having fish and green beans. The reason why I choose green beans was because my slime is green. Well, I don't even know if this is slime, guys. I prefer this as spongy clay. I don't know how I made it. I prefer it as spongy clay. But yes, let me get everything I need and then we'll be right there. Okay, so I got everything I need. I got my other two slimes. That is so pretty. It's so hot. This slime is what I just made right now.
Oh shit!
Sorry for if anyone's cursing in the background. Today, we have another family reunion because this is what we do. We have a family reunion and we're playing Halo. Finally, I got the kitchen to myself. Everybody else is outside. But that is that. I'll be right back because we need something to drink for dinner, don't we? So I got our fruit punch. And I got our cup. And I got our straw. And I got our knife. Just waiting for the rest of the fruit punch to pour out. Okay, we're almost finished. So we've got our slime, fruit punch. All I have to do is cut the straw. We have to put the straw in. Make sure this is all straight. Okay. And putting the straw in. And I think, yeah, I knew it was not going to come out nice. So that's why I had to choose another decision. Be right back. So I got the slime right here. I meant not the slime. I don't know what happened to my voice, but I got the straw right here. Okay. Pretty straw. And that is going to come off hard, but all I have to do is that. Putting it in the refrigerator for it to get some nice air. Now, accidentally cut a part of our green bean off. And we have more slime to make with stuff. So I'll put that off to the side. Right now I'm focusing on getting my green beans all sliced and diced. Okie dokie. So what I'm doing right now is just lining up the
Oh, my goodness.
Green beans. Oh my god. Now I'm about to cut them. Okie. So some of the green beans, slice them, diced really good. Some of them didn't want to slice or dice. So now we have this many green beans. I will put them on the container. Get some hot water and boil these green beans. Well, how do you do that, you're asking? This is hot water, and then I'll be right back. Okay, about to boil my green beans, setting that off to the side. Now the hard part is the fish. So we have to cut off the top layer, which has been already done, and cut off the bottom layer, which is this skin, which has been already done. Now all we have is this tail right here. Ew. All we have right now is the tail to cut off. So I'll cut that off. Now we got our fish. Now we could cut it. So I'm cutting up the fish. Let me check up on the fruit punch. So it's getting bubbly on at the top. The stick is getting cold. You're gonna put more contact solution in it. Okay, so I'm mixing the fruit punch. Then after this, we'll check up on green beans. So the first punch just spilled, and I think I stepped on glass, but there's no glass over here, and I feel like it's killing me. So I have my fried fish. Here is the green beans. Yeah, I suppose they were gonna do this. Now I'm just putting in the fish. Whoa! That flew everywhere. I knew the green beans were going to do this. That's okay. That could be a little siding on the side of our plate. So I'm going to put the green beans right here. Pile of green beans. And then our bread. This is our and butter slime. And yes, this is homemade butter slime. I found a video of it. This I could say was over $50 because this is only half of the whole big batch we made. Half of the whole big batch comes. So I didn't want to. I'm not trying to brag, but it was almost over $50 because we had to get the glue, we had to get the contact solution, we had to get the detergent, we had to get a whole bunch of clay, a whole bunch, because we couldn't find no regular clay. So we just grabbed clay and soft clay, because that was the only clay that would have went in the butter slime. We got our green beans on the side. Checking up on the fish. So far so good. Water is coming out from the fish. That is okay. We have a rag right here. So I'm just gonna tap on. Now I'm about to cut up some bread. I'm taking off the edges. No one likes the edges. I have to say, guys, slime is really hard to cut. So the fish is done. Putting that away. So give me a minute to get these fish on the plates, and then we'll have to start cooking the rice. And then that is dinner. Okay guys, so instead of putting on the fish now, I was going to put on the bread first. And then I was going to put on the fish, because the fish is like a lot of fish. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Oh no, slime mix. So that was a bad idea because my slime mixed. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm going to tell you, this is going to be like a funny plating. So this is what we got. We got fish and the green beans. The bread is not going in, but I will put the top over. This and that is fish and green beans for dinner. Oh, wait. We forgot one thing. Our drink. Oopsie, I spilled it. So this is dinner of the night, but I'm putting this back in the refrigerator. Like, this is so cold right now. And it was getting so bubbly. That's why I wanted to leave it. So yeah guys, that is the video of today. Don't forget to do your 4 steps. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.